Okay, show us your baby. What's your baby's name?
2 weeks ago.
Is it a girl baby?
Yeah.
What does she say?
She said tulips.
She says what?
She said tulips.
Oh. Did she have a nap today?
Don't take a video. Or see it.
You want to see the video? Here, let's take a video of your baby. See, there's your baby. Uh-oh, Jonah's getting your baby.
Hey.
Show me how you cuddle the baby. Oh, that's nice. Should we tuck your baby in?
No.
What's going on there?
My belly button.
It's your belly button?
No, my baby.
You have a baby in your belly?
Uh-huh.
Are you ready to come out?
No.
Push! Wow, that's nice. Yeah. Is your baby hungry?
No.
Wow, that's... You got a little bun in the oven, huh?
I'll see a video.
Okay.